Welcome back to my channel, and my name is Krishna, and today we are going to see pronoun. What is a pronoun and what with some examples. In our previous class we learned noun and what is noun with a detailed explanation. In this class we will see pronoun and its detailed explanation, what is the pronoun, etc. Okay, so pronoun, we know the basics of parts of speech and English, so we can say easily pronoun it is used instead of noun. Here also same only, pronoun it is used to instead of noun. Used to instead of noun. So example, let's see some examples. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, these are we can see these in regular where we can see grammar book. We can see only I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, so let's see some examples with sentences. He likes to eat ice cream. He likes to eat ice cream. Here he is an pronoun, and she is a good girl. She is a good girl. Here she is a noun, and I know him. I is a pronoun. She is a pronoun. I is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. And here we have to see I will the he sheet only. But do you know that there are 30 types of pronouns, and only the 30 types of pronouns, not only there are 8 types of pronouns. In that 8 types, okay, I will give you a new page and I will tell from new. Okay, so there are 8 types of pronoun. 8 types of pronoun. How it is possible? There is only I, we, you, the, he, she. There is only 7. No, you can ask me. But here there are 8 types of pronoun. There are 8 types of pronoun. They are in that 8 types. The first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. In that personal pronoun, there is again 3 types. What are the 3 types of personal pronoun? Subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, and possessive pronoun. The subjective, objective, possessive, these are under only the personal pronoun. And you can ask me, but where is the I, we, you, the, he, she? The subjective pronoun is the I, we. In this they are again 7. What are they? I, we, you, the, he, she, which we are learned from first class. Subjective pronoun. If in 8 types of pronouns, in first type, again in the 3 types of personal pronoun, the first type subjective pronoun, or that we are learning I, we, you, they, he, she. So see how many pronouns. So think how many pronouns are there if we are not learning that. Okay, this is the pronoun. Let's recall what we learned. So pronoun, what is pronoun? It is used to instead of noun. And examples of pronoun, these are I, we, you, they, he, she. These are subjective pronoun in personal pronoun. Okay, I, we, you, they, he, she. Examples: I am a teacher. He likes to eat ice cream. She is a good girl, and I know him, like that, etc. Okay, let's meet in another class with another parts of speech verb. Until then, bye bye.